Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my September 2022 Boxyluxe box unboxing. I am so glad that I finally got one of my beauty subscription boxes for the month to open here on my YouTube channel. It seems like they're all running late this month. I'm still waiting on both of my Ipsy glam bags and my other Boxycharm, but this is a very exciting one to start out with because the Boxyluxe box is only a quarterly upgrade and this feels very heavy. I'm so excited to see what's in here. So yes, if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I unbox all the Boxycharm and Ipsy subscriptions here on my YouTube channel, and I pay for all of those myself. I don't get any of that in PR, so you know, it's just my real genuine experience based off of like my feedback, the quizzes that I fill out. And I have to say, I'm not always impressed with my beauty subscription boxes. However, I do try out all of the makeup products that I get in these as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series that I also do here on my YouTube channel. So that's why I'm not swatching them and trying them out now in this video, because soon you'll get to see those full video tutorials, try-ons, all of that with the makeup products. But so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. And so first on top here, we have got product information, which I like to see the retail value of the products that I get in this box, because you always still get a good value compared to what I'd have to pay if I was buying these products separately. Oh, first, I am of course so drawn to this sparkly product here, and this is from Pat McGrath Labs. I don't think I've tried out any Pat McGrath products yet, but I have been wanting to. I'm pretty sure this is a pricey product. This is the Dolls Eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Gold Standard, but how fun is this with all the loose sequins in here? Oh my gosh, what a fun product to start out with. The Pat McGrath Labs Dolls Eyeshadow. Yeah, it retails for $25 for this single eyeshadow here. But oh, I am so excited to see how this is going to be. Ooh, next I see this brand that I'm not familiar with, but I love trying out new brands. This is called Beauty Bio. Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels. Ooh, so maybe, yeah, like under eye patches, which I actually love to use products like this. And that's some good before and after right there. And typically when it comes to my beauty subscriptions, I like to get makeup. That's my preferred type of product to get. But if I'm gonna get skincare, I want it to be something like this, like these eye patches. I don't know if I've ever gotten eye patches in Boxycharm, so I'm happy to see this. Whereas if it's a product like a cleanser, a moisturizer that I have, a mask, I have so much of, that's when I get kind of disappointed in the beauty subscription, because I've given feedback that I don't want those types of products. But this, I'm happy to see. So far, so good. This Beauty Bio Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels retails for $28. And then for skincare type products, hair care, body care, my reviews on those come in my empties videos, which used to be monthly, but I just haven't been going through enough products lately that now they're like every other month, maybe every 3 months, because when it comes to those types of products, I want to completely use them up, be able to really see results, get my full review on them. So you'll see these more skincare like products reviews in those videos. So with all of that, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of that type of content. But let's continue on here. Ooh, okay. We've got this big box here that says Zendo palette. I like the sound of that. It's like a double unboxing here. Oh, it's Natasha Denona. A big Natasha Denona Zendo palette, eyeshadow palette. I love trying out eyeshadow palettes, and I am loving the brands that I'm seeing in this box right now. This packaging, let's check out the colors. Okay, first impression, I'm very happy because I love a colorful palette like this. When I get into it a little deeper, I'm like, okay, it's missing like the light highlight shimmery shade, some like browns that I feel like are essential for like creating dimension, but I'm very excited to see what I can create with this, see how these shades are, and this is just a beautiful palette that looks so fun. Yay! I feel like, well, I don't want to jinx myself, but I feel like I haven't been this happy and excited about a Boxycharm or Ipsy beauty subscription box, I guess, unboxing in a while. This is going very well so far. So the Natasha Denona Zendo eyeshadow palette, oh my gosh, it retails for $69. A very pricey palette. See, that's what's so fun about these beauty subscriptions as well, is getting to try out expensive products that I would never purchase on my own anyways. So let's continue on. This is from the brand Queen, which I think is familiar. This is a really pretty picture. She's got 2 different color lipsticks on, and that is a really fun look. Okay, but what is this product? Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo, Spray Tan and SOS. Okay, let's see what those shades look like. I love lip liners though. I need to wear lip liner when I'm wearing a lip color. And okay, so we've got, let's see what these colors are. Ooh, like a bright, not bright, more like a dark red called SOS. And then the shade called Spray Tan. Yeah, it looks more like a brick color, more like a brownish red. So I'm very excited to try these out. From the brand Queen Studio, which I think I've heard of it, but I have not tried out many products from this brand, so I am excited to try out more from Queen Studio. The Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo retails for $18. Lots of makeup so far, which, like I was saying, I'm very happy to see. Like another makeup product here. Oh, and this is from a brand that I'm not familiar with either, called Make. And this is Serum Balm Pink Charisse. A serum balm sounds different and it sounds awesome. I love trying out lip products, but then when it's a type of lip product that I've not tried before, serum balm, and this looks like a beautiful color, and I love this packaging. Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta just like sneak a little sniff, but I'm actually not getting any smell to this, but that bright pink has me so excited. I love bright pink. I love lip products, and I have very dry lips, so the fact that this is called a serum balm sounds incredible to me, and it's from a brand that I haven't tried out yet. Oh my gosh, I'm just getting more and more excited as I continue on unboxing this. So let's check out the retail value on the Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment. That's exactly what I need. It retails for $26. Yay! I'm so excited about that. Ooh, and this is a brand here, LYS Beauty, that I seem to be getting a lot of lately in my beauty subscriptions. And some of the products that I've tried from this brand I love, some of them I do not love. So we'll have to see about this one here. This is the Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum. It's got vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. Okay, not quite as excited about this because, you know, I was on a roll with the exciting makeup products. This, just like a vitamin C hyaluronic serum, is not too exciting or different to me, and I've gotten so many serums in my beauty subscriptions that I'm just not as excited to see a serum. Ooh, I love this packaging though. The LYS Beauty kind of has like this classic triangle shape to their products, which I really like, and the pink, of course, I really like. This is like, kind of reminds me of a perfume bottle, but the packaging on this actually has me very excited to try it out, more so than the claims of it. So let's see what this retails for. The LYS Beauty Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid retails for $28. I actually was expecting that to be more because it seems like a luxurious product based off of the packaging. But okay, we've got some more in here. Ooh, a cream blush. actually love cream blushes, and this shade, if this is true to what the color is like, I'm very excited. Oh yeah, it's called Warm Peach. I have found that when it comes to blushes, I like them to be a little bit more like bronze blush tones. So I don't think I chose this shade, although I can't remember. When it comes to Boxycharm, you do get to choose a few of your products, but I have noticed that like Boxycharm tends to send me shades that are out of my comfort zone, and sometimes it goes well, sometimes it doesn't, but this seems like the type of shade that I would want to choose for myself. And look, I don't even know what the brand is. Soft yet powerful. Like, where is the name of the brand on here? That's so funny. Oh, Dominique here, very tiny at the bottom. So it's Dominique Cosmetics. Oh, which is actually an exciting brand to get. Silk Tone Cream Blush. Retails for $22. I love the sound of that. Yes, of course, classic Dominique Cosmetics packaging that I see now. Ooh, oh gosh. Dug my nail into it a little bit, but I am very excited to try this out. Hopefully it'll be a nice shade on me. Like, holding it up next to my cheek, I'm like, I don't know how that's gonna look, but hey, that makes it even more exciting to put it to the test. And actually at the bottom of the box here is this big product. It says Henny and Leave. Henny and Lev. We've got like a duster bag. Wait. This is a nice handbag. Oh my gosh, this is actually so perfect for me because I just was carrying my current handbag and it is literally falling apart, and I said, I need to get a new handbag. This one I've had for like 10 years, and this is so perfect. Perfect timing, because I wanted a bag that is big enough to put all of my stuff in. And this is seriously the perfect size. I love this color for fall. It's this like leathery material. It is completely open. I do kind of prefer when my bags have a zipper to them, but I am seriously going to switch over to this and start using this. I am so excited. I've never gotten like an accessory handbag in Boxycharm like this. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, it seems like a nice bag. Let's see the retail value. And the brand is called Henny and Lev, and it's the Danielle tote bag. This retails for $129.99. $130. Yeah, I would not have spent $130 on my next handbag. So this is so exciting, so incredible. This is probably one of the most expensive handbags that I now own. And I got it for such a good deal in my Boxyluxe box. Okay, wow. This might be one of my best Boxycharm unboxings ever. I am seriously so excited about everything. There's just the one product here that I would say I wish I could change out for something else, but I'm still going to use this, the LYS Think Bright Serum. The rest, which I will do a recap on, I feel like I would have purchased on my own. So that's when I feel like I got such a good deal, when it's actually products that I would want to purchase otherwise. But I want to do a quick recap, like I said, but also add up the total retail value. Okay, so for the recap, I've got the Henny and Lev tote bag here, of course. Like I said, the LYS serum. And then I got the Dominique Cosmetics cream blush, the Make Serum Balm, the Queen Lip Liner Duo, the Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow, the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, and the Beauty Bio Bright Eye Gels. And all of that brings me to a total retail value of $345.99. Incredible value. Products that I'm so excited about. And so what I would love to hear in the comments down below is if you've tried any of these products, let me know what you think of them. Let me know if you have any tips. And if there's any products that you're extra interested in me trying out first, just let me know in the comments down below so that I can have some help prioritizing the order that I'm going to try these out in. But gosh, I'm so happy. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.